So now let's do step 2. So the reason we want to keep the original boxes is so that we can see where our boxes end and begin for our next video. I just want to drag this down a little bit so we can get rid of that overlap that we had earlier. That's fine. Now I'm going to use the boxes I used in the previous one to separate the head to tell me where I need to separate the body. So I'm going to hold down, I'm going to hold down Alt, and I'm going to lift a new box up. Which one am I selecting? There we go. So hold down Alt, use your, and it should snap to where your previous box is. You can see on the shadow on the figure how to make your alignment. I think that's fine. Let's take a closer look. Looks good to me. And the same one goes for this box. We know where it's on that line, and we're going to make the box taller. On second thought, why don't we also make a duplicate? That should work fine. I'm going to remove my boxes at the bottom now, and same as before, I will select all of them and group them. And once you group, you'll be left with your body. Now we have body and head as two separate entities. That gives us a good platform to start off our bobble head. Next up, we're going to make a base for our bobble head. You can choose what kind of base you want. In this case, I am looking for a rounded cube. Let's see if I can find it. So we go to the community shape generators. Where are they? Oh, here we are. All. And we are looking for the rounded cube. Let's see. Of course, you don't have to use a rounded cube. You can use whatever you like. I just like the look of the rounded cube. So it should be somewhere around here. There we go, rounded cube. I'm going to drag it in. I'm going to make it nice and wide. The whole point of the base is to provide stability. I'm going to flatten it by clicking the top here. And I prefer a flat base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to basic shapes. I'm going to go to my square. I'm going to flatten it even more. And this is going to help me provide a nice flat base for the bottom. Turn that into a hole. Let's see. Maybe drop this one down a little bit. The rounded cube, that is. And I think we're good. And we're going to group them. Good. So I should have, drop it down onto the work plane. And I'm going to put this as my base for my body. Select both, and we're going to click on the Align tool in the top right here. You can also just press L, and we're going to use the middle dots for each one. Perfect. And I'll raise this up a little bit, but we want to make sure there's an overlap so when it prints, it's merged. And our base is done. Almost done. Well, done for now. Next up, we're going to figure out how to hollow out this head in part 3.